Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are back in Tokyo and my partner and I haven't really decided what we want to do today. We want to go to Roppongi, but at the same time we want to also go to the castle grounds, like the Imperial Castle here in Tokyo. I was going to say Kyoto. Tokyo. Sorry, there's like construction across the street, so it's pretty loud. But yeah, we're still deciding what we want to do. But I haven't had breakfast, I haven't had any coffee, so I really want something to eat and drink. Like last night when we got back from Kyoto, it was pretty late and we just ordered in, like we ordered some Uber Eats and stuff, and I just didn't really feel like walking to the convenience store to grab stuff for breakfast and stuff. So I think almost 12, almost 1. Yeah, it's like 12, it's like 20 past 12, so yeah, we just want to get our day started. And yeah, I'm just really excited. We've only got a few more days left here in Japan, and I'm feeling a little bit down, but at the same time feeling like I just need to experience so much more, which is definitely why I think my partner and I have decided that we're definitely coming back at some point. But yeah, I think we're going to start our journey from Osaka, then Kyoto, then Tokyo, instead of the other way around this time. So yeah. They gave us an English menu, but we're just gonna go through like the normal menu because the normal one looks like it has more choices, like selection. So yeah, I think I know what I want. Like I'm gonna have what we had last time. It's like a pork cutlet with a little bit of veg. Just because, yeah, like that one. Because I have, like that one, because I haven't had any veg since I've been here. Like I'm not a big fan of vegetables, but still, I feel like I need some. Oh my god, I just had my curry and I think I'm a bit flushed, I'm a bit red. I was a lot redder earlier. I chose level 1 spicy for my food, and you know, I'm Filipino, I'm used to a little bit of spice, so I thought, we'll be fine. Ooh, it had a decent kick. Like my nose was runny and I just like my lips are red, they're still a bit red, and my cheeks are just flushed. It's very hot. Good thing I had like a cold sweet drink, so that just helped me out. But anyway, my partner and I are going to go to Harajuku now, and we're going to check out the cosplay street. Alright guys, so we are still in Harajuku and we're looking for a crepe shop. Crepe. We found one, it's called Mommy and Toys. So it's just level 2. Alright guys, so we have got our crepes. I've got a banana one. Some of these shops are so extra. Love it. Okay, so we're going to go back to Takashita Street. Okay guys, so we are here at Kamiyacho station, and we found a Starbucks. We're going to have some coffee as usual, and then we're going to make our way to the Tokyo Tower. We don't have tickets, so we'll have to figure that out once we get there. Alright guys, so we are almost at the Tokyo Tower. I think that sign over there at the back just said 300 meters away, which is good. Sorry I didn't really vlog at Starbucks. It was really quiet in there. It was a bit awkward to just even speak. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to show you guys what Tokyo Tower looks like from down below and what it looks like from above. Alright guys, that's the tower. I'm just going to keep walking towards it and hopefully find the entrance for the tourists that can go up. Alright guys, we have got our tickets for, I think it's just the main tower, like the main section for the tower. The main bit is 150 meters off the ground, so it's not the highest point. I think the highest point is 250 that we can go. But we're going to go check out One Piece first because we want to go to the observation deck when it's nighttime so we can see Tokyo at night.
zero-sum game that I would lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more?
So we are done at the One Piece place, and now we're going to head off to the main deck, which is the actual tower itself.
Welcome to Tokyo Tower. We will arrive on the 150-meter high the main deck. Tokyo Tower was built in 1958. Please enjoy. Alright guys, we're up at the tower. Oh my gosh, the view here is amazing, and that music is helping. So this is like a skywalk window, so that's pretty much a straight down, and I'm just standing on the glass. Like, people are scared, but I can't actually see, so it's fine. Guys, we've just finished at the tower, and my partner are now at the food court, and we're just going to have food. So he's ordering something from Moss Burger. He's never tried anything there before. I had Moss Burger before in Hong Kong, but yeah, I'm just going to try the carbonara here. So I'm ordering from this place. I'm assuming it says Pizza LA Express or Pizza La. I'd say Pizza LA Express. I want to try the carbonara. The Japanese juice, something a bit different with their pasta. I don't really know what it is, but it tastes a little bit different. So I want to try it out because I don't really remember what the carbonara tastes like. Alright, here we go. Got a carbonara. It looks like it's just the egg, like the yellow bit. It's boiled. A little bit. Like the center's not. Oh, it's a little bit cooked. I don't mind it. I'll eat it. Also got a guava drink to go with it. I don't know how it's gonna go with this meal though. We are back at the Airbnb. We just hopped into a taxi and we got dropped off. So it was like a 13-minute taxi ride. It was really nice because it was the first time we ever took a taxi ride that long, because we got to see sights that we never got to see before. I guess if we took a bus it would have been a bit different, but I'm just not very confident in taking the buses here, so trains it is. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys the bag that I purchased. I got it from Harajuku, and this is the name of the shop. This is Wooden Doll? Yeah, Wooden Doll by Zenmold Takashita shop number 5. So this is what the bag looks like. It's from a brand called Anello. So that's what it looks like. I just wanted something quite simple that I can use for work and also for when I go to events, because I always end up just bringing a backpack. So I thought this would be really nice and cute, something I can just hold on to like that, but it's also got a strap that I can use if I need to. So I paid 4,200 yen for it. It's really nice. I'll show you the compartment. So this is the front pocket. It's just pretty simple, just a few compartments, and that's what I really wanted. So that's what the inside of the bag looks like. What I really like is the opening, like here, has like a rod, so on both sides, so it really just keeps it sort of like in position. That's what I don't like about other bags, when they don't have anything like a rod to stabilize it. It crumples inwards, especially if you have something quite heavy in the middle, and I like it to maintain its shape, so that rod really helps, and that's what really drew me to this bag. So I can put like bits and bobs here and there and it won't crumple. So yeah, I really like it. Again, Anello is kind of a well-known brand for this sort of like upper part of the bag, and then it's the bottom part is like a backpack, if you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I really like the design. It's definitely what I've been looking for. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed coming along with me to Harajuku and to the Tokyo Tower, One Piece Museum. Is it a museum? I think it's a theme park. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it for me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you guys enjoyed. If you guys have missed any of my Japan vlogs, I'll have a playlist down in the description box down below for you guys, and also on the screen. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.